Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Nano Dimensions. This stock trades on the NASDAQ under symbol NNDM. Nano Dimensions were down a little over 1%, down to 14.35, and then it continued moving downward, losing another 1% up to 14.22. Look over the past month of Nano Dimensions. It's done really well. It's gone up from 8.59 all the way up to 16.66, and then it has moved back down. I do think that Nano Dimensions will probably move down a little more before it sort of bottoms out and then finds some accumulation. I just think it had a big run and needs to take a rest. But another reason why I like Nano Dimensions right now is that there's so much attention focused on GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry costs, all these sort of Wall Street bet stocks are being short squeezed at. The speculative investor, the one that really drove up the price of Nano Dimensions, I think is really kind of ignoring Nano Dimensions right now. And I do think that gives this stock a great opportunity that, for you to acquire it at a low price. Now, Nano Dimensions is involved in the manufacturing of 3D printers for the commercial sector. And I do think Nano Dimensions, along with 3D systems, is going to become the leaders in this industry in a disruptive business that's going to grow exponentially over the next 10 years. And I believe that Nano Dimensions or 3D systems will become the sort of the leading company in that space, and that could potentially make either of these companies worth anywhere from $5 billion to $100 billion. So we're talking about, in the case of Nano Dimensions, a potential 33x return from its current $3 billion valuation, or maybe a 25x from the 20 to 25x from 3D Systems 4.7 billion. Either way, I think you should try to own both of these stocks because 3D printing is only going to continue to grow. But the one thing I like about Nano Dimensions is that they've raised close to $1 billion from all their direct offerings, and I think they could use that money to either make an acquisition or they can use that money to acquire customers. They could follow what I would call the Amazon model, where Amazon lost a lot of money because they just wanted to get customers, because they knew if you get a customer buy one product from Amazon and they see they could get a product cheap and get it fast, then they're going to buy products every other month or every month from Amazon. Then you have a lifelong customer. And what Nano Dimensions, if they can get a company just to buy one of their 3D printing systems, then they're going to come back for multiple systems, upgrades to their systems, maybe auxiliary products that are related to 3D printing. So they may take that $1 billion and just use it just to acquire customers, and that could really give Nano Dimensions an edge on 3D systems. But like I said, I think you should own both, and I definitely think you should take a look at both of these companies now that I think they're probably being overlooked right now. So definitely check out Nano Dimensions. Again, trades on the NASDAQ under symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.